Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Samsung's new 2026 budget king phones, the Galaxy A57, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A07 5G launch timeline and new upgrades are leaked. Samsung has a slate of phone launches ahead, including new additions to the Galaxy A series. These actually sell like hotcakes in many parts of the world. A popular tipster may have just revealed when the upcoming Galaxy A07 5G, Galaxy A37, and Galaxy A57 could launch. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. A tipster has shed light on when Samsung may launch the Galaxy A57, Galaxy A37, and the Galaxy A07 5G smartphones. Samsung has a few Galaxy A series smartphones in the pipeline. Well, we now have some new information about when the brand will launch these phones. According to a leaker, Abhishek Yadav on X claims that Samsung has sent the Galaxy A57 to some creators, which suggests that the brand will launch it soon. In a newer post, the tipster claims that Samsung will launch the Galaxy A57 and the Galaxy A37 in the first or the second week of February, and the Galaxy A07 5G at the end of this month, January 2026. According to leaks about the Galaxy A57, it will feature a faster processor, the Exynos 1680, and a newer camera setup over the Galaxy A56. The phone is also said to use an OLED display from a Chinese firm. Coming to the Galaxy A37, it too is expected to feature an upgraded camera setup. As for the Galaxy A07 5G, while it may not be offering a performance upgrade, it is said to come with a larger battery. All of these Galaxy A phones could launch with Android 16-based One UI 8. Along with that, they'll offer 6 years of OS upgrades and security updates. More importantly, it remains unclear whether Samsung will bring the Galaxy A57 to the US at the same time as other markets. The Galaxy A55 was never launched in the US. Its successor, the Galaxy A56, arrived months later after going on sale elsewhere. The reason is simple: Samsung wouldn't want its top-tier Galaxy A phone, the Galaxy A57, to jeopardize sales of the base Galaxy S26. Even though the two phones are in entirely different leagues, and there will be a clear price gap, that's often how product positioning and deals work. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.